Why is nobody talking about these weird skincare tricks? Seriously, you're missing out. In a world where we're constantly bombarded with new beauty products, expensive serums, and complicated routines, it's easy to overlook the simple, natural ingredients that might be hiding right in your kitchen. But what if I told you that some of the most effective, affordable, and even fun skincare solutions are already sitting in your pantry or fridge? Today we're going to explore 5 of the weirdest, most unexpected skin ingredients that you absolutely need to try. These aren't your typical store-bought creams or fancy face masks. Nope. We're talking about everyday foods and household items that can transform your skin in ways you never imagined. So if you're ready to glow up and surprise your friends with your radiant complexion, keep watching, because these hacks are about to change your skincare game forever. Let's dive in. First up, honey. Yep, straight from your kitchen. Dab it on as a mask and watch your skin thank you. But why honey, you ask? Well, honey has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for all sorts of skin woes. It's packed with antioxidants, which help fight free radicals and slow down the aging process. It's also a natural humectant, meaning it draws moisture into your skin, keeping it hydrated and plump. If you struggle with dry patches, dullness, or even breakouts, honey can be a game changer. Just smooth a thin layer over clean skin. Let it sit for 10-15 minutes, and rinse off with warm water. You'll notice your skin feels softer, looks brighter, and has a healthy, dewy glow. Plus, honey's antibacterial properties make it great for calming acne and reducing redness. And the best part? It's gentle enough for almost every skin type. If you want to take it up a notch, try mixing honey with a little bit of cinnamon for an extra anti-inflammatory boost. Just be sure to patch test first, especially if you have sensitive skin. So next time you're making tea or toast, set aside a spoonful of honey for your face. You'll be amazed at the results. Next, plain yogurt. It's not just breakfast. Spread it on your face for a quick moisture boost and gentle exfoliation. But let's break down why yogurt is such a superstar in the world of DIY skincare. Yogurt contains lactic acid, a natural alpha-hydroxy acid, AHA, that gently dissolves dead skin cells, revealing smoother, brighter skin underneath. If you've ever paid big bucks for a fancy exfoliating mask, you might be surprised to learn that yogurt can deliver similar results for a fraction of the price. It's also loaded with probiotics, which help balance your skin's natural microbiome and can reduce inflammation. This makes yogurt especially helpful for people with sensitive or acne-prone skin. To use, simply apply a thin layer of plain, unsweetened yogurt to your face, avoiding the eye area. Let it sit for 10-20 minutes, then rinse off with lukewarm water. Your skin will feel refreshed, hydrated, and oh so smooth. For an extra treat, try mixing in a teaspoon of honey or a few drops of lemon juice for added benefits. Just remember, always use plain yogurt, no added sugars or flavors. And as always, do a patch test if you're trying this for the first time. Yogurt masks are a quick, easy way to give your skin a boost, and you'll love how soft and glowy your face feels afterward. Here's a wild one. Potato slices. Pop them under your eyes to help reduce puffiness. Now, I know what you're thinking. Potatoes? Really? But hear me out. Potatoes are rich in vitamin C, potassium, and enzymes that can help brighten the skin and reduce swelling. If you've ever woken up with puffy eyes after a late night or a salty meal, potato slices can be your secret weapon. The coolness of the potato helps constrict blood vessels, while the natural starches soothe inflammation. To try this trick, simply cut a raw potato into thin slices. Chill them in the fridge for a few minutes, and place them over your closed eyes for 10-15 minutes. You'll feel the cooling effect almost immediately, and after you remove the slices, you might notice your under eye area looks less puffy and more refreshed. Some people even swear by potato juice for fading dark circles. Just grate a potato, squeeze out the juice, and dab it gently under your eyes with a cotton pad. Of course, results can vary, and it's important to be gentle with the delicate skin around your eyes. But if you're looking for a quick, natural fix for tired eyes, potatoes are definitely worth a try. Who knew your favorite comfort food could double as a beauty hack? Don't forget about green tea bags. After you brew, chill them and press on your skin to calm redness. Green tea is famous for its powerful antioxidants, especially a compound called EGEG, which helps protect your skin from environmental damage and soothes irritation. If you struggle with redness, sensitivity, or even sunburn, chilled green tea bags can provide instant relief. After making your cup of tea, don't toss those bags. Pop them in the fridge for a few minutes, then gently press them onto your cheeks, forehead, or anywhere you need a little extra TLC. The cool temperature helps reduce swelling, while the green tea itself calms inflammation and hydrates your skin. This trick is especially great after a long day in the sun, or when your skin feels stressed out. You can even use green tea as a toner. Just brew a strong cup, let it cool, and apply it to your face with a cotton pad. It's refreshing, soothing, and totally natural. Plus, it's a great way to get more mileage out of your tea bags before tossing them in the compost. So next time you're sipping on green tea, remember, your skin wants in on the action too. Oh, and turmeric. Mix a pinch with yogurt for a brightening mask, but careful, it stains. Turmeric is a golden yellow spice that's been used in Ayurvedic and traditional medicine for thousands of years. It's famous for its anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antioxidant properties, making it a powerhouse ingredient for your skin. If you struggle with dullness, dark spots, or uneven skin tone, a turmeric mask can help brighten and even out your complexion. To make a simple mask, mix a small pinch of turmeric powder with a tablespoon of plain yogurt, or honey if you prefer. Apply the mixture to your face, avoiding the eye area, and let it sit for 15 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water and be sure to use an old towel. Turmeric can leave a yellow tint on fabrics and sometimes on your skin, but it usually fades after a gentle cleanse. Many people notice a healthy, radiant glow after just one use. Turmeric can also help calm acne and reduce redness, thanks to its natural anti-inflammatory effects. If you're feeling adventurous, you can add a few drops of lemon juice or a bit of chickpea flour to your mask for extra exfoliation. Just remember, a little goes a long way. And as always, patch test first to make sure your skin doesn't react. Turmeric masks are a fun, affordable way to give your skin a boost and tap into ancient beauty wisdom. And if you want to go really bold, try aloe vera gel straight from the plant. Super soothing. Aloe vera is one of nature's most versatile and healing plants, and its gel is packed with vitamins, minerals, and amino acids that nourish and repair the skin. If you've ever had a sunburn, you probably know how cooling and calming aloe can be, but did you know it's also great for everyday skincare? Fresh aloe vera gel can help hydrate dry skin, reduce redness, and even speed up the healing of minor cuts or blemishes. To use, simply cut a leaf from an aloe plant, slice it open, and scoop out the clear gel inside. Apply it directly to your face or any irritated areas, and let it absorb for 10-20 minutes before rinsing off. You'll love how soft and refreshed your skin feels. Aloe vera is also non-comedogenic, meaning it won't clog your pores, so it's safe for most skin types, including oily and acne-prone skin. Some people even use aloe as a lightweight moisturizer or a soothing aftershave. If you don't have a plant at home, you can find pure aloe vera gel at most health stores. Just make sure it doesn't contain added colors or fragrances. Aloe is a true multitasker, and once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Remember, everyone's skin is different, so test before you go all in. While these natural ingredients are generally safe and gentle, it's always smart to do a patch test before slathering anything new all over your face. Apply a small amount of the ingredient or mask to the inside of your wrist or behind your ear, and wait 24 hours to see if you have any reaction. If you notice redness, itching, or irritation, it's best to skip that ingredient and try something else. And if you have allergies to any of these foods, avoid using them on your skin. Natural doesn't always mean risk-free, so listen to your body and take it slow. If you have sensitive skin, start with shorter application times and milder ingredients like yogurt or aloe vera. And if you're ever unsure, consult with a dermatologist or skincare professional. The goal is to have fun experimenting with new ingredients while keeping your skin healthy and happy. Who knew your kitchen was basically a secret spa? Seriously, the next time you're meal prepping or making a snack, take a look around. There are so many ingredients that can double as skincare heroes. From avocados and oats to cucumbers and olive oil, your pantry is packed with possibilities. You don't need to spend a fortune on fancy products to get glowing, healthy skin. Sometimes the best solutions are the simplest ones. Plus, making your own masks and treatments at home is not only budget-friendly, but it's also a fun way to pamper yourself and experiment with new routines. Invite a friend over for a DIY spa night or treat yourself to a little self-care session after a long day. You'll be amazed at how creative you can get with just a few basic ingredients. And who knows, you might just discover your new favorite beauty hack hiding in plain sight. Drop a comment if you want more hacks like these. I'd love to hear about your favorite weird or unexpected skincare tricks, whether it's something you learned from your grandma, a tip you picked up online, or a secret recipe you swear by. Sharing is caring, and we can all learn from each other's experiences. If you try any of the ingredients from today's video, let me know how it goes. Did you notice a difference in your skin? Did you have any funny or unexpected results? And if you have questions about natural skincare, feel free to ask. I'm always here to help. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and remember, your glow up starts in the kitchen.